Have you ever wondered if the universe itself could think? If the atoms that make up your very being might hold some form of rudimentary awareness? What if the intricate networks of our brains and the vast, sprawling cosmic web of galaxies aren't just similar by chance, but are pieces of a much deeper puzzle, one that ties consciousness to the very fabric of existence? Today, we'll explore these profound questions, weaving together cutting-edge science, ancient philosophy, and the latest theories about the universe and the mind. A few years ago, astrophysicist Franco Vazza and neurosurgeon Alberto Faletti sat in a quiet bar in Bologna, Italy. Their conversation began like any other, a catch-up between old friends. But as they discussed Vazza's research on the structure of the universe and Faletti's studies of the brain, an extraordinary idea began to take shape. Could the structure of the brain's neuronal networks be compared to the cosmic web of galaxies that spans the universe? Intrigued, Vasa took up the challenge. Using statistical analysis, he compared the two systems, the brain's intricate network of neurons and the universe's colossal network of galaxies. What he found was astonishing. Despite differing in scale by 27 orders of magnitude, the patterns they form are strikingly similar. For some, this resemblance is more than just coincidence. It raises a bold question. Could the universe itself be conscious? Could it think, or at least possess a form of awareness? This idea isn't new. Ancient Greek philosophers, like Thales, once said, "Everything is full of life." Plato himself imagined the universe as a living being endowed with intelligence, and in the modern era, the theory of Panpsychism has gained traction, a belief that consciousness is a fundamental quality of all matter, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. But what does this mean? Could every particle in the universe hold a spark of awareness? Could the chair you're sitting on, or the walls surrounding you, possess a primitive form of mind? This might sound like science fiction, but the truth is, we still don't fully understand consciousness. Neuroscientists can map brain activity, yet they can't explain how these physical processes create subjective experiences. The colors you see, the music you hear, or the emotions you feel. Some researchers, like philosopher Philip Goff, argue that the answer lies in panpsychism. They propose that consciousness isn't something that emerges only in complex systems like the human brain. Instead, it's woven into the very fabric of reality. Particles themselves might have basic units of consciousness, which combine and grow in complexity to form the rich inner worlds we experience. And yet, there's another perspective, a cosmic one. The idea of panpsychism suggests that the universe as a whole might be conscious. But how could this work? Franco Vazza remains skeptical, pointing out that while the brain and the universe may look alike, they operate under vastly different principles. After all, similarity doesn't equal function. A living brain and a dead brain, for instance, have the same structure, but only one can think. And the universe? Its immense scale and slow communication make it hard to imagine it operating like a human brain. But what if consciousness doesn't need to resemble human thought? Quantum physics has shown us that reality isn't as solid as it seems. Beneath the surface of what we perceive as matter lies a world of quantum fields and probabilities. Some physicists, like John Wheeler, have even suggested that the universe is made not of matter, but of information. Information, meaning conveyed through symbols. Could it be that the universe is a vast network of information, a system that requires consciousness to interpret and give it meaning? Think about it. In your dreams, everything you see, feel, and experience is a creation of your consciousness. Could the universe itself function in a similar way? A grand dream woven from the fabric of consciousness. This brings us back to the profound resemblance between the brain and the universe. Scientists have used tools like power spectrum analysis to compare these two systems, and the similarities are undeniable. Both the brain's neuronal networks and the cosmic web form intricate clusters linked by filaments that stretch across space, whether micrometers in the brain or millions of light years in the cosmos. But the deeper question remains: is this similarity purely coincidence, or does it hint at a deeper truth about the nature of reality? As we explore the mysteries of consciousness and the universe, one thing becomes clear. We are part of something much larger and more intricate than we can comprehend. Whether we view the universe as a vast neural network, a cosmic web of information, or something beyond our wildest imagination, it inspires awe and wonder at every turn. Perhaps consciousness didn't simply emerge, it has always been here, a fundamental part of existence itself. And as we continue our journey to understand the universe, we may find that the greatest mysteries lie not in the stars above, but within ourselves. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to check out the next video on your screen as we delve deeper into the connections between consciousness, quantum physics, and the mysteries of existence. See you next time.